Imagine being miles deep in the wilderness, far from any cellular tower, where silence stretches endlessly and every decision matters. In that moment, your gear is not just equipment, it is your lifeline. Now imagine a smartwatch that does more than track your steps or display notifications. Picture a device that can guide you back to safety, function as a standalone communication tool, and continuously monitor your health, all while lasting not just days but potentially weeks or even longer without a charge. That is exactly the kind of vision that has made the Garmin Fenix series the gold standard for serious adventurers. For athletes and outdoor enthusiasts who push boundaries, reliability is everything. Whether it is a steep mountain trail run, a multi-day trek through unforgiving terrain, or a remote expedition far from civilization, these watches have built a reputation for unmatched toughness, extreme accuracy, and industry-leading battery performance. However, Garmin has never been a company that rushes its releases. Fans of the brand remember the long and sometimes frustrating wait between major upgrades, particularly between the Fenix 7 and the next iteration. Incremental updates have kept the lineup relevant, but the absence of a major leap has left many wondering when the next true evolution will arrive. Now, whispers across the tech world suggest that something significant is finally on the horizon. Rumors point toward a major release in the second half of 2026, and while nothing has been officially confirmed, the signs are becoming increasingly difficult to ignore. During a recent earnings call, Garmin's leadership hinted at substantial launches in the high-end outdoor category scheduled for late 2026. No specific product names were mentioned, but anyone familiar with Garmin's strategy understands where the spotlight is likely headed. The flagship Fenix lineup has always been the centerpiece of Garmin's outdoor offerings, and the possibility of a next-generation model, widely rumored to be the Fenix 9, is generating massive anticipation. If these rumors hold true, this release could represent more than just another upgrade. It could signal a fundamental shift in how Garmin approaches its product cycles. Historically, Garmin has favored longer gaps between major releases, allowing each device to mature and dominate its category for extended periods. Moving toward a more predictable and possibly faster release schedule would align Garmin more closely with other major tech brands. This shift could help the company stay competitive in an increasingly crowded wearable market, where innovation cycles are accelerating and user expectations continue to rise. One of the most exciting possibilities surrounding the rumored Fenix 9 is the introduction of cutting-edge display technology. Reports suggest that Garmin could adopt a new micro-display solution alongside its existing AMOLED and MIP options. This advancement could dramatically improve visibility in bright sunlight while also enhancing power efficiency. For users navigating harsh outdoor environments, a brighter and more responsive screen is not just a luxury, it is a necessity. Combined with a faster processor, this could finally address long-standing complaints about slow map rendering and laggy navigation. Imagine zooming through detailed maps with smooth transitions and instant responsiveness, a feature that could be a game-changer for hikers and explorers who rely heavily on precision. Connectivity is another area where significant improvements are expected. The next-generation Fenix may reduce its dependence on smartphones by introducing more robust LTE capabilities and enhanced satellite communication features. For those venturing into remote areas, this could be transformative. The ability to send messages, share real-time location data, and maintain a connection to the outside world without needing a phone adds an entirely new layer of safety and convenience. In extreme conditions, where every second counts, this kind of functionality could quite literally be life-saving. Health and fitness tracking have always been core strengths of the Fenix lineup, but expectations for 2026 are higher than ever. There is growing speculation about expanded ECG capabilities, deeper health insights, and even the potential introduction of non-invasive glucose monitoring. If realized, these features would push the boundaries of what a smartwatch can do, turning it into a comprehensive health companion. Detailed tracking of heart health, sleep patterns, stress levels, and overall performance would make the device equally appealing to elite athletes and everyday users focused on wellness. the same time, practical improvements remain just as important as futuristic innovations. Users have long requested more convenient charging solutions, such as wireless charging and faster recharge times. Reducing reliance on proprietary cables is no longer just a preference. It is an expectation in today's premium device landscape. Garmin faces the challenge of maintaining its reputation for rugged durability, while also embracing the convenience features that modern users demand. Design and comfort are also under scrutiny. While the Fenix series is celebrated for its rugged build, some users find it bulky for everyday wear. A slimmer, lighter design without compromising durability could open the door to a much broader audience. The goal is to create a device that feels just as comfortable in a boardroom as it does on a mountain trail, blending performance with everyday usability. Software enhancements could ultimately be just as impactful as any hardware upgrade. Garmin's interface, while powerful, has often been criticized for being complex and layered. A more intuitive and polished user experience would significantly improve usability, especially for newcomers. Streamlined menus, faster navigation, and smarter organization of features could transform the watch from a highly capable but sometimes intimidating tool into an elegant and accessible wearable. All of these potential improvements point toward a device that is not just an incremental update, but a comprehensive evolution. Faster performance, brighter displays, smarter connectivity, advanced health tracking, and refined design all contribute to a product that could redefine expectations in the outdoor smartwatch category. From an analytical perspective, the rumored Fenix 9 represents a convergence of survival-grade functionality and everyday convenience, a balance that few devices have managed to achieve successfully. If Garmin delivers on even a portion of these expectations, the Fenix 9 could become the ultimate hybrid smartwatch, equally at home in extreme environments and daily life. For loyal fans who have patiently waited through long development cycles, this could finally be the moment where everything comes together. It is not just about adding new features. It is about creating a device that truly works as hard as its users do, adapting to their needs whether they are climbing mountains, running marathons, or simply navigating the challenges of everyday life.